anyway, guys, just so you know that there's a little tiny crack in the mini bin. I don't really mind about, because I'm still of it. It's not like the hole is broken. But anyway, that's not what this is about, is it? No. Today's video is about plug socket history. Now this is a probably more modern design, and this is made by Get. Now the way I always know this is a Get is by reading the switch. Look, it says on. See? See that switch there? And when you turn it on, it shows this red, which I don't know what that means. And I've got an MK15 amp one that does that, but the receptor doesn't say on. Now this is from 2003. This is probably the same year as I was born. The 3rd of the 7th of July, in 2003. So that is just a couple of days older than me. I'm quite surprised about. So probably at the time I was born, this socket was being installed. And these are all being replaced by Chrome. These are all being replaced by Chrome sockets now. So yeah, this is one. This is a like a knockoff version of it. Now, can you guess who this guess who made this one? Howland also make them too, but can you guess who made them? A&T. I think A&T took over Get. I'm not sure. I'm probably thinking this is from 2007 or 2009. Because I know that Get and A&T are very similar. And this screw keeps coming out. Don't know how to get back in. But we're going to give you a comparison. So we're going to show you. How do I get this back in? To ban my dog from coming in here because it's really naughty. I'm trying to get. Oh, forget it. I'll screw it back. Okay, keep like this. Anyway, apart from that annoying little screw, not cooperating, we're going to compare it to an a Get one. Now, in this American Conservatory, there's a Get double gang socket, and the way I can always tell it's a Get is, look, see that switch design? That's definitely Get. And Murdoch is watching. Hello, Murdoch. I'll play with you in a minute. Anyway, that means we've got a Get double gang. I'm pretty sure this is a Get. Now, I want to show you the differences. Instead, on the switch, it says on the top there. On Get, it says on the switch. Also, we also know the Get does not have the these little copper bits at the back, and because this one, let me just grab my single gang again. I know that Get is much quicker. It's the same design. Just, I don't know what to do about that magic. Anyway, can you see that the Get is a lot thinner? So yeah. Apart from that, it's the same design. I mean, looking in the terminals there, look pretty similar if you're asking me. So yeah. So that's how you can tell a Get between an A&T. So yeah. And my dog's just looking at me like, what are you doing? And so yeah. Eventually probably this is going to be replaced with Chrome as well. So yeah, I'll be able to have this Get socket and do a better video then. Anyway, I'm gonna go play with Maddie now because he's probably getting a bit bored and grumpy. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and okay, I've got a new outro to my videos. It's time to log off, go and play with toys, and build something out of Lego. Bye now.